We have early stage venture fund with offices both in New York and New Jersey. We've been operating since 2011. We have made 25 investments to date. About 40% of those live in New York, and the vast majority of the remainder are California and Israel based, but we do have a few companies in between. So that's great. So what makes us different than the rest of these VCs in here looking to give you a shitty valuation? So I'll start with the superficial stuff. Of our partners, we have a collective 4 exits as founders. 2 of those over $1 billion. The coveted unicorn, a $500 million exit, and then a $60 million exit for on a company that was started soup to nuts in 30 months on about $2 million of investor capital. So we know what it takes to we know the challenges you guys are going to face as founders, what it takes to overcome those and build a big business. We also collectively have invested in about over $1 billion as a group into a number of different asset classes throughout our career and a number of different companies. So you learn painfully and quickly what it takes to be a good company, and we can help you do that. So that's great, but at the end of the day, you don't choose your VCs based on interesting backgrounds. So let me tell you, kind of what why really to partner with us. At the end of the day, we will work hard for you guys, and we and we will look out for your best interest. So I can it's a quick anecdotal note. And we have a company from Israel with 2 founders. One of those guys is in Tel Aviv and runs the R&D group out of there. And the other one picked up his entire family, moved to the U.S. to set up the sales and marketing office. They most recently, one of the guy from the U.S. actually had a snag with his with the visa process, and ultimately has been denied for renewal for only reasons that the U.S. government could kind of make up. But we had, Brian's not here. I was going, Brian is here. So all of you guys should know Brian, and he's the only 6'4" Ghanaian guy in venture capital, and B, he's a good guy to know. So if you don't know him, but the second this happened, Brian basically jumped to action, and he did things such as go out and write a personal letter to the U.S. Immigration office saying, basically conveying both our disappointment in the decision as well as our conviction in the company and why it makes a lot of sense and all the things that you would imagine with job growth in the U.S. and so forth. Brian also helped them source one of the best immigration lawyers in the U.S. and collaborated with the Israeli economic minister to put together a coordinated joint response. So that took a lot of time and a lot of effort, but when we partner with you guys, we are all in. And finally, how many of you guys in this room have had the, hey, we love you, we love your business, but come back to us when you have a term sheet and a lead? Probably about all of you guys. And so, if we love you and we love your business, we will put together a term sheet. We will, we will take the lead. We've led about, more than half of our companies to date. We will continue to, do that. We have a fresh fund with a new pot of capital that we're looking to put to work, and so. If that sounds like a type of investor you guys would like to partner with, we hope you'll let us join your team. Got a minute left for any questions that you guys might have. Yeah, go ahead.
Can you talk about the size of the fresh pot that you have?
Sure. Yeah, no. So we have a $100 million new fund. We've only put about $8 million of that to work to date. In the seed stage rounds, we kind of invest anywhere from $250 to up to as high as $1 million, and then in the Series A rounds, we will write up to kind of a $3 million size first check. We like to get in early, and we like to follow you on, kind of along the way. We'll get ultimately up to $5 to $8 million inside, our quote best performing companies. It's good. Yeah, we're pretty broad. I mean, we have a pretty diverse group of partners. So of the 4 of us, I mean, we touch SaaS, we touch mobile, we touch services, type businesses, which is broad. We also have a new partner that's focused exclusively on digital media and e-commerce. So we're pretty broad, not overly thematic, especially in the very early stages.